What's going on, Amazon? I am here because my wife and I just got a new hamper system from Joseph. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you exactly what this product looks like when you get it delivered. Obviously, this thing is absolutely massive. And so I figured I would show you guys exactly what it looks like when it comes in the mail. Now, y'all, here's the deal. My wife and I are massive fans of the Joseph brand. They look really great. They operate really well, and so, all right, I think that's everything. We decided to take the plunge. This is the 2-in-1 edition, so you've got two for the price of one, which is awesome. And y'all, they do a really great job of keeping everything together, like really nice. So as you can tell, this is kind of like a nice little protective glass, or not a glass, but like a paper around the actual material, which is awesome. So as I open this up, and y'all, we're doing this live, so I don't really have directions or anything like that. But I figured it's just fun to do a little bit of an unboxing, show you guys exactly what this baby looks like when it comes delivered. But like I said, y'all, my wife and I are so excited about this product. Seriously, give this thing a try. You're gonna be really happy that you did. So as you can see here, this is the top part. So this is what you're gonna have to lift up on. And then you've also got the bottom and the midway point. So we're gonna take this off. This is just some cool labeling here. I'm very glad that I have scissors. I used to be very anti-scissors. I don't know why, but I just thought that I could rip everything off. But sometimes it's better to work smarter than to work harder. So this is what I really love, is right here. Look at the branding. You see that Joseph and Joseph right on the notch there, right on the hold? That is really great branding. They look beautiful. These products are amazing. I overall really am happy with them. And then as you can see here, right? So this is the two sections. You've got your two sectioned out things right here. And then on the bottom, this is where you actually connect these guys right here. And then this is where it goes on the bottom on the floor. So overall, really great. And now let's do the rest of this. Let's pull this out. So again, this should be the cloth material. All right. Oh yeah. Y'all, look at how good this looks. This is such a great color. My wife and I love this color. It's incredible. And yeah, this is really, they're super smart. Like they do some really high level paper to where this stuff stays nice. It's not gonna get, destroyed or anything like that. So this is gonna be the outside of it. And then within the containers, like these right here, these are your actual individuals. So as you can see, these are what they call, I guess, Tota. I don't know what Tota means, but I guess it's totes or something. I don't know, they might be European. That's above my, Americanized thoughts. So here, you can see right here, this is the bag. It's got the two of them, 2-in-1. So as I open this up, I'll let you guys see exactly what these look like. So here are the individuals. So they're individually combined. You've got two of these sacks right here. One will go on this side, and then you've got on here, you've got these little bags. So you can see they've got some nice holders. This is what will go in each of these two, as you can see, these two guys. So you just throw them in here, and then boom, you're good to go. Obviously, I've got some pieces that I still need to put together for sure, but wanted to show you guys exactly how this works. But y'all, it's a super simple process from what I've seen set up. It shouldn't really take that long at all. You just got your little four guys right here that you just extend in, and it's a standing up guy, so it's really not that hard. And you're good to go. So I'm gonna put this together. I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like when it comes delivered to you. But overall, y'all, I definitely recommend giving this product a shot, adding it to your cart. The branding, like look at this branding, y'all. Do you see this? Joseph, like right here. This is just beautiful. It looks really great. The material looks awesome. Great color scheme. It's gonna work great for my wife and I. And so I definitely highly recommend this to you. I'll probably do a video once this is all set up, just to compare some hampers that we have in the house. But wanted to do an unboxing. Now I gotta get to actually putting this thing together. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, just to see everything that comes in the box. And y'all, this is a really simple, easy to set up. I just don't want to bore you. So hopefully you guys that found that helpful, definitely give it a shot, add it to your cart. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping, y'all. See you on the next one.